Welcome back, YouTube family and heroes. This is Sub-Zero. We're back in another video just for all of y'all. Today is the day. Finally, we've been putting together parts for a year and a half of all the performance pieces I'm going to be doing on my Corvette, and today is the day that we're finally going to Escondido, Excelsior Motorsports, to put all of those parts on. This is going to be the final phase before we really start to go ahead all in tracking this beast. Got so many things coming for the channel, so many things coming for the car. I'm just so excited, guys. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but man, I am pumped. We're really building a real life C7R, guys, and the power is about to be coming, the mod is about to be coming, and this thing's about to be a beast. Oh man, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow on the journey, hit the subscribe button, and like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality and be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all got the power to be one. Everyone have a great one. Let's get into that video. Peace. Alright, y'all, so you guys already know we are back at Excelsior Motorsports. Man, this is my favorite shop in the world, y'all. As you guys can see, this is Chevy Haven over here. Got lots of cars here. Got some more cars. Got my car over there in the back with the other Corvette. But man, first off, take a look at this traveling setup, man. Shout out to the homie Kushan. This is a setup with the truck. This is a setup with everything. Man, I need to get me one of these someday. This is like beautiful, man. This is absolutely beautiful. Kushan over there getting some cars together. But look at this. This is goals, man. Like, you come up with $1 million, you get yourself one of these traveling trucks. Go ahead and tow yourself that enclosed massive trailer. You can hold multiple cars in there. I think you can hold like 2 or 3 cars in this whole setup right here. And just look at that. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. The paint on this thing is beautiful. This is some real stuff. This is like Formula 1 Indy 500 touring stuff right here. Sheesh. Someday, guys, we'll get there someday. But until then, we got the vet out here. Shout out to Forged_Speed. I see your vet looking nice. Forged_Speed. We got 2 vets out here. You guys already know. We got the baby right there. That. Jeez. Them lights. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, it's come that time to say goodbye to the vet. Might be a few weeks, might be a month. But the next time we see this thing, you guys are gonna see it on the dyno. You guys are gonna see driving reviews. You guys are gonna see POVs. You guys are gonna see it on the track. Man, next time you guys see it, it's gonna be a completely different animal, man. I'm just so excited for this. I've been waiting a year and a half to get all these parts in. It's been a long journey, but man, I'm just so appreciative of this channel, so appreciative of all you guys. I would not be here if it wasn't for all of you guys supporting me and my builds, supporting my page, supporting my channel, and supporting me. So seriously, guys, thank you so much. You know, everything I get, I'm trying to put back into the channel so you guys can see more content, see some fun content, and just overall, just give you guys hopefully some fun entertainment when you guys click on my videos. Alright, heroes, so we are back over at the house. Just got the car done as far as dropping it off. I'm gonna go over exactly every single part that I'm gonna be doing on this build. There's so many things, like there's so many parts. So I really want to go over it very, very easy for you guys to know exactly everything that's going in. It's a lot, and it is going to be absolutely crazy. Like I said, I've been waiting a year and a half for these parts. I've been putting these parts together, and man, I'm just so excited. All right, so the first thing that I got is a 2300 Edelbrock supercharger with a custom expanded snout for the Corvette. And man, I'm just so excited to get this. We're getting a brand new supercharger. It's gonna have more cooling, better intake temps for sure, and it has a custom snout to get more power. It's gonna be a much more efficient than the 1.7 liter supercharger that's in the car. It's gonna definitely work much better. I also have a 103 Katech throttle body, a custom AFE intake with custom socking and expansion for more airflow to go into the car. I also got a Katech valley cover. I also got race lifters, a valve spring kit, push rods, a catch can, custom stage 1 cam for the car, Katech front timing cover, timing chain set for the car, new gaskets and seals, and also, as you saw at the end, I got AFE headers and AFE xpipe, the race versions that are ceramic coated to match my AFE ceramic coated Catback exhaust as well. So it's a full AFE exhaust system that, man, I think it's gonna sound so amazing. So I got that going in. Also gonna get that tuned, and that's pretty much all the parts that we're going to be doing on this Corvette. Working and partnering with Excelsior Motorsports again on this build. They've done all my parts pretty much for my car when it comes to the seats, the interior. Oh yeah, we're also going to be gutting the interior a little bit more, so I'm going to be taking a lot more carpeting out of the car to lower the weight, to make it much more easier. We're taking a bunch of stuff out of the car. We're going full race mode. But also, like I said, they did the seats, the RaceTech Halo seats I got, the straps, the bar. They did like so much stuff. They did my radiator, they did my wing that I got. I'm gonna be upgrading to the RS Future setup, the splitter and the Aero and the wing and just pretty much everything. Shout out to Amir for helping me with that, hooking me up with that. But anyway, Excelsior Motorsports does an amazing job. They're the ones that I trust giving my car to. This is not a sponsored ad. This is not an ad. This is literally just me taking my car, my hard-earned money to this shop because I trust them with my car. I trust them with my cars. So any Chevy, LS, LT, Cadillac, whatever it is, LS or LT platform, I definitely recommend going to them for any type of maintenance, any type of aero, any type of suspension, any type of power. Anything that you can think of for your cars, definitely go ahead and check out Excelsior Motorsports in Escondido. But anyway, man, this is gonna sound so good, man. This truly, I'm getting that much closer to having my own C7R, but to being customized the way I truly wanted to really take the track by storm. And I'm so excited to get to this time attack, this global time attack, competing in a whole bunch of events, competing in some SCCA events, competing in some NASA events, and competing in some grid life events, and just overall just be getting this track page I have a lot of plans coming for the Subaru as well. We're still waiting for parts coming from Japan, so sorry for the wait in the parts. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for more POV videos, so I'm going to be doing some more POV videos of the Subaru, some more POV videos of how the exhaust sounds with the POV, some more videos coming with you guys for the Corvette, and I have a lot of more surprises that are going to be coming to the channel. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button, follow the dreams, the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. Peace.